Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So, today we'll be discussing how you can change the theme of your Moodle instance. Suppose you have more than one themes installed in your Moodle instance. For example, in my case, I have three. Like the Boost and Classic is the default one, and Monocolor is I have installed the custom one. So these three, how you can switch between these three? Let me take you to the demo of that. So for switching the theme, first of all, you will have to administrator right. Then under appearance, you will find theme selector. And here, by default, you will see, or if there is no option coming under the theme saying use theme, then that means this one is a current one. Okay, for the boost one, the no use theme button is coming. That means this one is a currently being used. If I want to use this classic one, then I will have to just click on this button and everything will be changed automatically. Now you can see the look and feel of my model instance has been changed uh, due to this theme change. Now coming back to again the previous theme, again we will have to go to site administration, then the appearances, then the themes, then the theme selector. If you want to use the boost again, you will have to click on this. But if in case you want to use another theme, you will have to click on that theme. So if I have just click on monocolor, that's why it is appearing monocolor. Again, if I want to go back to the first one, that is the boost, I will have to click on this. Yes. Now I am back to the original one from where I had started. So this way you can change the theme, and also in case you want to do any settings around the theme, you will find always an option here. Under appearance, you can add the logo here, but for the other details, in case you want to add any additional CSS, you will have the option here to add. Within head, you can add. For example, in case you want to add the style here, CSS here, you will be starting this style and the closing, and then you can add your CSS here. For example, in this case, I want to make a color of S2 into red. I can do like this. Let me make this. If I add this here, ideally it should work. But let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so size is already there. I have just pasted the color. Let's see. Yes, if you go back, go anywhere, you will see that particular CSS will be applied on this particular h2 tag or the tag with h2 class. So this way you can write here your HTML CSS code, and also you can write here your script. Okay, same way you will have to follow the script rule. Okay, script type equal to text Java script. This one you can copy from the web or from anywhere. Okay, so this way here your code will be written inside this block. Okay, and when you want, when body is open, if you in case you want to add anything here, you can also add here. Before the body close, you can all add here. Okay, so now for now I'm just going to delete this one, but the moment you delete, everything will be roll back. So we'll have to take care of that particular changes you made. You must make a offline note. In case something goes wrong, your whole a changes will be lost. So you need to follow some precautions to handle these changes. Now, in case I want to do some changes here, the theme level settings, as you just saw how you can add HTML. In case you want to do some theme level settings, like the menu you want to change, this is coming. In case you want to change the URL, you will have the option to change that. Okay, for example, if I change this profile to profiles, let's see how it appears. Okay, so this is it has been changed to profile, but this is coming from this language file, and the profile is not defined. That's why it is error coming. So this one is basically your name of your language. So Moodle, that means the default Moodle lang en Moodle.php file is reflecting here. Got it? And this, of course, the URL same way. This is the identifier in the file lang en create.php. Now I am rolling back. Just roll back this change, and it will be again back to this. Suppose you don't want to make it from the language file, you directly want the text here, you can also do that like this. Let me copy so that I can easily roll back. Okay, so if I change this, I can see my changes here as I put my profile directly here. Okay, for rollback again, you will have to paste your previous text, the complete line I replaced. The other thing, you can do the settings here. Under theme settings, you will also have some other option like allow category theme, allow cohort themes. So if you enable, the theme can be set at the category level. Okay, so if I enable this, all the cat in case you assign any manager to a particular category, to handle that, that category may be can be changed. The theme of that category can be changed, and this will reflect all the child category, not that particular category. All the child category and the courses will be reflected. Enabling category theme may affect performance. Why? Because if you have multiple category, and it will take some time to calculate for which particular category which theme is going to be used. So this is, so that's why it is going to take some time, and that of course that is going to affect your performance too. Same here, you can allow cohort theme. So in detail, you will have some video around that, each and every topics individually. But for today, I'm just walking through the how you can do the appearances. Okay. So in case currently I am using the Boost theme, and I want to make the changes in Boost, then I will have to go here. So if you click on Boost, you can see here the background image. You put login page background image in case you want to add. Okay, but in case you change this theme to any other, so everything will be uh, replaced. So whichever will be your current active theme, all the settings of that will be applied. Got it? And in case you want to change the brand color, of course you will have all the option, you can do that. So this is just a general settings, like you will have the logo and the background color. Same here, the background image and the login page. Logo you can simply get from your appearances and logo. For advanced settings, you will have again the CSS thing will appear. Like in case you want, suppose I just write here the CSS under this additional HTML. So this will be applied globally, no matter which theme is being currently being used. But in case you want to use, write any style sheet style code or css code that works for only that particular theme. In this case, you will have to go back to that particular theme only. Like in case I'm using the boost, I will write here the boost in advance. All the css I'll be writing here rather than here. So will be accessible publicly. Okay? Now, so this way you can handle the things, uh, whichever. But in case you want to see the template, you will also see here. uh, the caching of template can be done enable or disable. Template caching will improve the loading performance and is strongly recommended for the production side. So by default it will be enabled in your case also. So here the one more steps here, the default dashboard. Suppose you are here on the your dashboard, you will have all the rights to go to edit mode and you can enable your dashboard. No. Okay, so this one is the dashboard. I will have all the right. After going to edit mode, enabling edit mode, I can add and remove blocks. But in case you want to set the global dashboard, you can also the admin can also do that. So for this we'll have to come under appearances, then default dashboard page, and this is the page. And in case you want to add or remove anything, you can add simply here and reset dashboard for all users. So this will be applicable in all the users currently having. Resetting your dashboard to default. Yes, continue. Okay. In case I will have the, another user. So just now I just added here the online users. In case you have more users in your system, you can see. In my case I have learner 3. Let me try login with this. Continue. And I am here on the dashboard, and yes, I can see this one is just added the online users, and I can see on my dashboard without adding this one. Okay, so again for this one itself, I will you will have the separate video so that you can understand much better way. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.